You're busy. You got work, family, and a packed schedule, but you still want to lose fat and keep it off. Here's your step-by-step fat loss plan designed specifically for busy people like you. Step 1. Don't overcomplicate it. Just move. Walking 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day burns fat, lowers stress, and keeps metabolism firing. Walk during phone calls. Take the stairs. Park farther away. Stack it into your day. Step 2. Build every meal around protein. Protein helps you feel full, preserves muscle, and keeps cravings down. Eggs, chicken, Greek yogurt, protein shakes. Simple, fast options that fit your lifestyle. Step 3. You don't need to train every day. Just 3 20 to 30 minute stretch workouts a week gets results. Focus on full body movements, squats, push-ups, rows, lunges. Step 4. Don't chase perfect meals. Just master one go-to that's quick, tasty, and fat loss friendly. Make it your default when life gets hectic. Step 5. Prioritize your sleep. No recovery equals no fat loss. Just 6 hours of sleep can derail hunger, hormones, and focus. Fix your bedtime before fixing your macros. Step 6. Stop drinking calories. Replace sodas, sugary coffees, and juice with water, black coffee, or zero-cal drinks. Liquid calories add up fast and do nothing to help you feel full. Step 7. Don't chase perfection. Busy people succeed by making fat loss simple, repeatable, and realistic. Consistency beats intensity. Done get done perfect. Let's recap your busy person fat loss plan. Walk daily. Eat protein at every meal. Do 3 short workouts a week. Repeat one go-to healthy meal. Prioritize sleep. Cut liquid calories. Keep it simple. Follow these steps and you'll finally get results without burning out. Comment "I'm in" if you're starting this week. What's the number one thing making fat loss hard for you right now? Is it time? Motivation? Cravings? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk about it and fix it together. If this video gave you even one new idea or shift in mindset, smash that like button. It helps more people like you find this message. And if you're about that sustainable real-life health game, go ahead and subscribe to Whole Life Health and Fitness. No fluff, no fads, just smart fitness that fits into your world. And if you're still sweating over cardio, don't miss our last video, why you don't even need cardio to lose fat. Yeah, I said it. You'll want to see why. Click that thumbnail or check the link in the description. Remember, you don't need more time. You just need the right plan. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep living that whole life. Catch you in the next one. Let's get it.